Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel The Plush Girl. In this video I am going to share a very easy and quick Bhai Dooj look, a very subtle look, and you can create this look very quickly. So yeah, if you like this look, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. So let's quickly start with the base, and for that I am taking my Clinique Moisture Surge Creme, and I have already thousand times I have told about all the benefits of this cream. I mean, this is such a juicy cream. Next, Bhai Dooj we usually celebrate in daytime, so we need sunscreen to protect our skin from sun rays. So yeah, just take a good amount of sunscreen and a good quality sunscreen with a good SPF. Next, I'm going to take this Maybelline New York Master Strobing Cream by Face Studio, and it is in the shade pink. And let's see how it works. Okay, so it is giving an illuminating effect as it says. So yeah, a very nice cream I can say. So this is going to help you in giving an inner glow, which will look very natural. Next, I am taking my Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and I am going to mix my moisturizer in this because I do not want to take so much of foundation. So it will help in spreading it very nicely and giving it a natural look, because we do not need such heavy look on Bhai Dooj. So yeah, just a small amount will do the deed. Now I'm blending it very nicely with my foundation blending brush, as you can see. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline New York concealer, and I'm going to conceal just a little bit, and for this I'm going to use my fingers today, as I was not feeling to use my brush. So yeah, I think fingers mix well than all the brushes. I think so. Okay, so next step will be baking my under eye area, and for that I am using my sponge, and it is not damp. So yeah, today I am using my dry sponge and I am just baking it. Next, I am going to fill my brows, first from the center, then going to the end, and then in the starting. After filling my brows, I do like this with my fingers. See, there is so much of product which is excess, so we can take it out with the help of our fingers. Now dusting my baking with the help of the brush and dusting off the full face, taking the extra powder to the rest of my face. Okay guys, so it's time for eye makeup, and for that I have taken the shade Fairy Tale from my You Can Be palette, and I'm going to use it as a transition shade, blending it back and forth. Okay, both eyes are done. So next I'll be taking the shade Kinky from the same palette, and I'm just going to buff it into my outer V. Blending is very important, you guys, so that eyeshadows doesn't look that they are just put on your eyes. It should look blended. Next, I am taking the shade Exquisite from the same palette, and I'm going to apply it in my inner V, and then taking the shade Dream World and applying it onto that shade Exquisite. Yes, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Yes, it is Exquisite. So yeah, just done with both the eyes. As you can see my eyeshadows looking very pretty and subtle at the same time. Next I'm taking the shade Teddy, shaking what I'm saying. Yes, next I'm taking the shade Teddy, and I'm going to apply it in my lower lash line, and after that I'll apply Love Bite in halfway of my eyes. Okay, next is the step for kajal to complete my eye look, as my eyes are looking incomplete without kajal. So yes, you can see it has given a beautiful look to the eyes. Okay, next is the time for eyeliner, and for that I am taking my Sugar eyeliner, and I'm going to make a beautiful wing, and I'm going to draw it just halfway. Okay, I have not started from the inner corners. I have started from the middle of my eye. Next, taking my mascara from Maybelline New York, and I'm going to just apply it on my lashes. And now completing my eye look. Brow bone and inner corner highlighted, and you can see the difference. Okay, so my eyes are also done. Now time for full face. And for that, I'm taking the blush from my In Color palette, which is very big in size. So yeah, it has so many things. It has blush, bronzer and everything. So yeah, for this look, I'm not going for bronzer. I don't feel like. I just want to be very subtle. So yeah, I'm just skipping that step. Next, I'm taking my Lakme crayon, and I'm very sorry I don't know the shade because everything has vanished from the crayon. So you can see. Next, just locking my makeup with my NYX setting spray, and it is the dewy finish spray, and then highlighting my whole face. So I have used both the things, my stroke cream and my Nykaa highlighter, both the things, because this look needs glowiness. Yes. Okay, completing my whole look with my earrings, with my beautiful earrings. And if you are wondering from where they are, so they are from W. My kurti, my attire and my earrings both are from the brand W. So till the next time, a very goodbye to you all. Stay blessed.